Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Netflix movies on your phone, right? I'm currently using an Android phone, so you can do the same. And it basically works if you're using any mobile app for Netflix, right? So you want to go ahead and find Netflix. I'm going to go ahead and type in Netflix right here. As you can see, I'm in Netflix. Now I'm going to go ahead and just tap on movies at the top there. And so you can see we have movies. No, you just want to go ahead and find whatever movie that you want to basically, you know, download. So you find a movie, you tap on the movie. Once you tap on the movie, you will see at the bottom where it shows download. Here you can see play and download. And so you will just tap on the download button and that's going to download the Netflix movie for you. Now, once the movie is finished downloaded, you can find those movies in your Netflix account, right? And so if you go back and click on the download icon on the upper right, it's going to take you into the download section. And here you are able to find your downloads, right? So here you can see that I have downloads. I can set it up. It says turn on downloads for you. You can do that if you want, but I will not use smart download for now. I'm just going to click find more to download and you can basically find more to download. So this is it, guys. If you have your account, you can easily go ahead and download movies. And once you're on your profile, you'll be able to click your profile on the lower right. You can see profile, and here you'll find downloads. You tap on it, and you'll find that as well. So two ways how you quickly find downloads here, guys. Very easy and very simple.